Here's an update to my Squawk and Talk soundboard design that I'm making. I've got my prototype on a piece of cardboard up here with all the individual components on it. I've tapped straight into the MPU and power connector that the original Squawk and Talk board comes through this time, and I've also tapped into the speaker so I can play it over the machine. I've got some power supplies on there to create the power I need from the 12-volt unregulated coming from the regulator on the board or in the machine. I've also added an extra volume knob that the Squawk and Talk board originally didn't have, and that's one for the background. I've got another one for sounds just like the original one, and one for voices, so you can adjust those all individually. Give it a try with the new updates. Now, it's a little bit different now. I've made it so that the sounds themselves, not the voices or the background, but they shut off when other ones come on, so they don't blend into each other. That was getting kind of annoying. Also, when a voice comes on, it shuts off the sounds also and completes to the end. Actually sounds very good. Let's give it a listen here. The background still continues to play through it all. You can hear the pop bumpers now. A lot of bass. It sounds better coming from the cabinet than my little speaker. Oh, right down the middle.
Starter. 3, 2, 1, go.
The voices still overlap on each other. There's a whole bunch of letters at the same time there, because I hit multiple targets at the same time.
Get ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Gotcha. Get going. Gotcha.
Kind of made a mess there, but I got recovered a little bit. See if I can complete a maze here. Get some more moves. There we go.
Get ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Action!
You can hear now the sounds don't all overlap really bad, but you can hear the voices better. I like having the background playing the whole time, that it's not on the original pac-maze board or Squawk and Talk board. The sounds, the background sound shuts off. Actually, every sound shuts off when the next one comes on. Except for the voices. The voices are allowed to play all the way through. It's kind of odd. It said A there, and then go to Pac-Man saucer. So I hit there. I set the C and then the A and the N target together. Said all the voices, but it was kind of garbled. I got a free game out of that. Or free ball, I mean. Just let it drain out. You can hear the end.
Pac-Man.